today the good news is only 3 months to go before we finally say goodbye 2020. Of course, it has been a horrible year for everybody, be it the economic front or the COVID pandemic. It has really shattered the entire world. But there are a couple of good things that happen. One is that we have realized what is the value of life. I think everybody in this world today understands the value of life and how we should keep our health as a priority. That has also been a lesson that we have learned from in this entire 2020. This pandemic has brought a lot of people on the same platform, in the sense that it has taken a lot of our privileges, and those privileges has been taken irrespective of any caste, creed or gender or anything. It has been taken away from everybody. The things which were very much important to us, maybe that has been sidelined for the time being, and we have tried to, and we have understood the importance of life itself, health itself. A lot of people are facing a lot of similar problems. Now what is going to happen after 2020, nobody knows. It's very difficult to talk about the market situation. It's very difficult to talk about the economy right now. Everything is topsy-turvy, that everybody knows. But the hope is, whenever the world has gone through a crisis, major crisis like this, like say for example the Great Depression of 1930. After the Great Depression of 1930, a lot of things were invented. In fact, the couple of things that we are very familiar with today, you'll be surprised to know that even the sliced bread, or for example the toothbrush, first car radio, and the Monopoly game, then the first supermarket. Now all these things came up only after the Great Depression. New things were invented. The same way in advertising and marketing also, we can see a similar kind of a different trend coming up. You must have noticed the use of memes, that how the internet jokes or the memes that is used in social media, that has been transformed into advertisement. I'm sure all of you must have seen the Parle Ji ad of Rasoi mein se Parle Ji kahan gaya, and that meme has been used very effectively in advertisement. We are going to see a lot of these kind of new innovations in advertising and marketing. Like for example, today there was in the news that they are in augmented reality, like they are coming up with detection of cameras which can detect whether your mood, in the sense that whether you are angry or not, that can be detected by the camera. So these kind of AR things are also coming up. As a signing off statement, what I can say, of course one can hope for the best, that once we say goodbye to 2020, then things are definitely going to improve.